Hi and welcome to Frank and Frank Automotive Repair. Today we're going to be looking at replacing the battery in a SC400 key. This is for a 1997 Lexus, but it also is the same key fob for the 95 and the 96. So it's really easy. You can have a look. There is a notch right about here. You're just going to stick a flathead screwdriver and just twist until you can pry this bad boy apart. You don't want to hit too hard. I've seen lots of these crack. You don't want to be having that happen to your key fob. So the battery inside is a CR 2016. It's a 3 volt. The positive side is on the outside. You're just going to slide your flathead right on there. It's a real thin battery and it pops right out. So you replace it, put a new one in, real easy, clicks in. And then you're going to do the reverse of what you just did. Put the back on, make sure it clicks. And there you have it, replacing the 97 Lexus key.